Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gcow coin. Now the Gcow coin's ticker symbol is Gcow, and it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 3rd, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. According to their BSC scan, they only have 9 holders, and there's no Pancakeswap transactions yet. So this token is not even available on Pancakeswap yet. Brand new project. 18 decimal places on this token. And there is a max total supply of 50 million Gcow tokens. Now you'll find their official Twitter, their X.com, in the corner of the screen over there. It is at Gcow coin, and they have 8,682 followers. It says Gcow coin as your cryptocurrency investment is not only due to its rarity and technological foundation, but also because of the concepts and cultural values. Now, the way that reads there, I had to correct the grammar a little bit. It seems like this is translated, so just keep that in mind as you go through their pages. They also have a Telegram at Gcow coin on Telegram that has 8,461 members. And it says Gcow coin provides you with a safe and transparent trading platform. But that's not all. We are also a vibrant and creative community, and our goal is to create a financial ecosystem that's easily accessible to everyone. Now, it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting March 3rd at 10 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Gcow, the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Their official webpage is goldcowcoin.com. Over there you can find their contract address, Twitter, Telegram, roadmap, tokenomics, info, contract address, live chart. So that will take you over, well, that doesn't work yet because the coin isn't even live yet. But once this token goes live, that will most likely take you over to like a DEX Tools type of chart. So it says, influenced by a character deeply ingrained in our collective memory, the Gcow coin stands out as a unique cryptocurrency, limited supply of 50 million tokens, and anchored on the Binance blockchain for swift and low-cost transactions. We are on a mission to cultivate a lively and thriving community devoted to the Gcow coin. So why would you get the Gcow coin? Well, it says choosing Gcow coin as your cryptocurrency investment represents cultural values inspired by the powerful and mysterious, why does it say dragon? Should be Again, this is translated here, and it says inspired by a powerful and mysterious dragon, and I don't know if that's just an error that they made on the page or they meant to say cow, but okay. A symbol of wealth, strength, and good fortune across various cultures. Gold cow coin perfectly aligns you with the pursuit of prosperity and growth in the world of cryptocurrency. Opting for gold cow coin means joining a community that shares these values, a group committed to mutual growth, support, and driving the platform forward. Holding gold cow coin, you are not just an investor, you are part of the story, participating in shaping a new digital economy, a new culture. Its limited assurance ensures a uniqueness to its holders and the potential value of this cryptocurrency. Moreover, the technical advantages of gold cow coin cannot be overlooked, leveraging the efficiency and low-cost transaction features of the Binance blockchain. It ensures fast and secure transactions worldwide. The platform focuses not only on advancement in technology, but also community involvement and sustainability in an economic model. Now, later on, probably around the same time it gets listed on Mexc Global or shortly after, this token will be listed on Pancakeswap, and it does say 0% taxes, so you won't have to worry about slippage on buy sells and transfers, maybe 0.5% at the most. It says LP will be locked after launch, and they have a roadmap on here. Starting with phase 1 is going to be a token generation event, and then they're going to do their initial DEX offering, their IDO, website launch, social media campaign. Phase 2 is going to be NFT marketplace debut, liquidity pool expansion, staking program initiated, major exchange listings, and then we have phase 3 of the roadmap, a mobile app release, governance protocol, cross-chain integration. So it says getting involved, joining the ranks of the gold cow coin is not just about choosing a digital currency, it's about deciding and becoming a part of a vibrant community. Each member is a key component of the grand vision. We are not just trading a currency, we are collectively making history and shaping the future. Your every involvement and contribution propels the story of gold cow coin forward. We are also carving out a place for yourself in our vast expanse of digital economy. We encourage community members to actively participate, whether it's through trading, social media interactions, or attending our online or offline events. The success of gold cow coin relies on the unity and vitality of its community. Every voice and actions are powerful and can influence our shared future. Let us join hands and make gold cow coin a benchmark for digital currencies and represent wealth, strength, and good fortune. Join us and let your investments not just be financial gains, but a rich experience of cultural and community involvement. So their partners are CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DEX Tools, DexView, and Pink Sale. So maybe they had a Pink Sale pre-sale. I'm not sure. I haven't checked it out there on Pink Sale, but you can go have a look. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about gold cow coin? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.